Ngayon naman, usapang ibang bansa pa din. Korea Festival in ASEAN, yan ang tututukan natin. Dahil meron silang exhibition na ongoing ngayon, ang 50 Years of Korean Contemporary Printmaking. Yan ang matututukan natin ngayon sa aming special feature.
50 taong pinagyaman ng Korea ang kanilang kagalingan sa printmaking. Iba't ibang obra ang nalikha ng mga artists na may kanya-kanyang tema at medium. Malaki ang papel nito sa pagkilala ng pagbabago at pag-angat ng kultura ng bansang Korea sa mga nagdaang taon. Bilang bahagi ng proyekto ng Korea Foundation, ang Korea Festival in ASEAN 2013 ay binuksan sa publiko ang isang exhibit na pinamagatang 50 Years of Korean Contemporary Printmaking sa Metropolitan Museum of Manila.
This is part of the festival in ASEAN. I mean the Korean festival in ASEAN. I think that the exhibition is very important in a way that we could invite them and that they can enjoy. And we selected printing instead of traditional arts or the paintings because we would like to introduce new genres of the Korean arts to the people of Philippines. When we first planned this festival, we have two key countries, Indonesia and Philippines. Through this festival, we would like to increase our cultural exchange between Philippines and Korea.
Itinatampok dito ang iba't ibang obra ng mga Koreanong printmakers mula 1950s hanggang 1990s, kung saan na ipapakita sa pamamagitan ng mga obra ang ebolusyon ng kultura ng bansang Korea.
We want to give you a comprehensive view on Korean art and culture, and printmaking is just a perfect medium to do this because it illustrates in detail how the traditional and contemporary elements have converged in the field of art. One of our highlights is the Baek Nam-jun's work, who is the founder of video art. He's one of the prominent artists of our times. And his video works, his 3D print works can be seen on a video testing screen. And on top of it, there's Chinese characters, which is a poem from Itebe, who is a poet from Tang Dynasty. It's quite witty. And also we have a prize-winning artwork by Kim Sang-yu, No Exit. It's broken in 3 sections, and he studied philosophy in college, and the work really shows his philosophy about towards death and his isolated self. He's touching upon the loss of self-consciousness in today's civilization.
Hinati ang pagpapakita ng mga likhang sining sa 6 na bahagi: 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, 80s, Minjung woodblock printmaking, at 1990s.
We are very glad that the 50 years of Korean printmaking is exhibited here at the Metropolitan Museum of Manila because we are very excited to see what the second half of the 20th century of art printmaking is in Korea as compared to how it was we were practicing it here in the Philippines. And what's very interesting in this exhibit is that we are seeing not only works on paper, but practices that use various kinds of medium. So, naiiba yung ating paningin sa printmaking na woodblock or yung traditional. Meron tayong makikitang piyesang nasa steel, sa stainless steel, at iba-iba pang mga gamit. I think this will strengthen our ties with Korean communities and the culture itself because through the fine arts, we can definitely talk about our creative practices, our knowledge, and our techniques.
Naganap ang isang press conference upang ipahayag sa publiko ang layunin ng Korea Foundation na ipakilala ang kultura ng bansang Korea at pagtibayin ang relasyon nito sa ibang bansa sa ASEAN region, lalo na sa Pilipinas. Inaasahang sa pamamagitan nito ay mas mapagtitibay pa ng bansang Korea at Pilipinas ang kanilang nabuong magandang ugnayan at pagkakaibigan.